Hello and welcome to Someka Monthly Bill Organizer template. This template helps you organize recurring bills, track payment status and monitor monthly expenses in one place. So the template consists of three main parts. The first part is where you make your data input, you make your bills, which I'm going to go into detail in a moment. And when you make your data input, you can view them in a nice calendar view. And also you can analyze your bills in a dashboard. So let's start with the settings. In the menu, you can input your categories here so that they are going to appear in the categories column when you make your bill input. And also you can change the starting month and starting year, which can be different according to your regulations and country and so on. And also lastly, the currency settings make the template to adapt to your own currency, but remember that this is just a visual change. It is not going to make any FX rate conversion or something like that. Okay, so let's start with the bill section, which you choose your category and write your bill and the payment day. You can choose anything you want here, then make your inputs and they are going to automatically transfer into the other sections. So in the bill section, whether it is paid or not, and all your amounts are going to be transferred to calendar. So let's see the calendar section. For example, in 2026, in the January, I'm going to have these bills. Some of them are red, some of them are paid, green, as you can see from the legend here. I can also filter the calendar view by the category, which is quite useful if you just want to focus on just one category. And also in the calendar view, you can change the show by, the bill name, amount, or just you may want to see only the bills and so on. Maybe you may want to just export this as a PDF and use it on some other places. Okay, this is the bill calendar view, and also we have the dashboard in which we analyze our total amounts according to the month and the categories, as we made some filters in the calendar view as well. So this is basically it. Instead of checking multiple invoices, emails or reminders, you can keep all recurring bills in a single organized system like this. Thank you, and don't forget to check our other templates from someka.net.